Good day everyone, Sir and Ma'am, especially to our teacher, Ma'am Pinelia Morada. I am Mary Claire R. Cabral and I currently have an application at DepEd. My report is all about the function of administration and instructional program. The administration plays a pivotal role in the success of instructional program within educational institution. The responsibilities encompass various aspects including planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and supporting. These are the outline of function of administration in instructional program. Let us have first the planning. In planning, we have two parts, the strategic planning and the curriculum development. While the strategic planning, the administrator set the vision and goal for instructional program. They also develop long-term plan that align with instructional objectives. Strategic planning involves analyzing current educational trends, student needs, and resource availability. The curriculum development, the administrator collaborate with educators to design and update curricula. They also ensure that the curriculum meets academic standard and addresses diverse student needs. Incorporation of new teaching methodologies and technologies is also part of this function. Let us now proceed in organizing. In organizing, we have at least three parts. Let us have first the resource allocation. The administration is responsible for allocating financial, human, and material resources. They also ensure the classroom, laboratories, and other learning environment as well are equipped. Staffing, recruitment, hiring, and professional development of teachers and support staff. The administrators ensure that the instructional staff is qualified and adequately trained. And the last of three of organizing is structuring the program, which establishing schedules, class sizes, and teaching loads. They also creating organizational framework that support efficient program delivery. Let us now go on in leading. In leading, we have also three parts. Let us have now leadership and motivation. It is providing leadership that inspire and motivates staff and students. It also encouraging innovation and continuous improvement in instructional practices. In communication, facilitating open communication channels between teachers, students, teachers, and others stakeholders. They also ensure transparency in decision-making, processes, and program development. And the last is policy implementation. Administrators are responsible for implementing educational policies and regulation. They also ensure that instructional programs comply with local, state, and federal laws. Let us now go on with controlling. In controlling, we have also three parts. Let us go to monitoring and evaluation. The administrators regularly monitor the progress and effectiveness of instructional program. They use assessment tools and data analysis to evaluate student performance and program assess. They also assessment tools and data analysis to evaluate student performance and accountability, ensuring that teachers and staff are accountable for their performance. They also implementing correctiveness measure when necessary to address issues and improve outcomes. And the last in controlling is reporting. The reporting, the administrators provide regular reports on program status, achievements, and areas needing improvement to stakeholders. And now, let us go back to the last part of function of administration in instructional program. The last part is supporting. The last part, we have also three parts: the professional development, student support service, community engagement. Let us now go with professional development. It is offering continuous professional development opportunities for teachers and staff, supporting educators in adopting new teaching strategies and technologies. While the student support service, they ensure that students have access to counseling, tutoring, and other support services. They also addressing the diverse needs to students to promote their academic success. And the last part in supporting is community engagement. We have also the building partnership with parents, local business, and community organization. We have also to engage the community in supporting instructional program and student learning. Administration role in instructional program is multifaceted and essential for creating effective and dynamic educational environments. By performing function related to planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and supporting, the administrators ensure that instructional programs are well structured, resourced, and capable of meeting educational objectives. Through their efforts, administrators contribute significantly to the overall quality of education and the success of students. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.